So I thought I'd show you guys the inside of my house so far. I bought this about 3 years ago. It was a foreclosure from the Bank of America. I have my dining room through there. I have done a lot of work so far. I had a big hole in the ceiling in this room, so I did that with it. Made the fireplace. Still a lot of work to do. I recently fitted this door. That was just an opening when I got the house, so did that with it. This is the kitchen. The kitchen when I moved in was disgusting, so I put all these cabinets in. The house is around 4,500 square foot, so it's a big house. It's 2-story. This is kind of like my games room. Pinball machine, pool table, darts, TV on the wall, another fireplace I built. And this is my bar area. Oh, that's a bathroom in there that's all stripped out. So that's my downstairs basic. Well, I've got another bathroom and a bedroom off the room, but